Good morning, everyone. My name is Janae Elkins, meteorologist here at the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi. Today is February 21st, 2022, and I will be conducting the weekly weather briefing for this week. So this week will be an active week for us across the ArcLMS due to a slow-moving cold front. Strong to severe storms are expected today, Monday, and tomorrow, Tuesday, with the main concerns being damaging winds, hail, and tornadoes. There will be potential for some heavy downpours with a few storms that pushes across the area, but we are not expecting any widespread flash flooding at this time. By the time the weekend comes, dry weather is expected to return. So this is the graphic that we have out for today. We have a marginal risk out for mainly across areas across the northwest region. Severe storms will be possible today, later this afternoon, and through this evening. Again, with the main threats being damaging winds, hail up to a quarter size, and a tornado cannot be ruled out if some of these storms transform from elevated to surface base. For the timing, we're looking at 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. So tonight, showers and a few thunderstorms will linger into this evening, particularly along and north of the I-20 corridor. Warm southerly winds will help prevent temperatures from cooling much tonight, so expect another warm night across the region with lows in the upper 50s to upper 60s. So looking at the short-term forecast, plus 36 hours from now, an approaching front will serve as a key factor for the potential of severe thunderstorms and rainfall Tuesday into Tuesday evening. So this is the graphic that we have out for Tuesday. I will say that the environmental conditions for Tuesday look a bit better than they do on today. Hence the slight risk added for most of the area, with a marginal risk mainly across the extreme south. So the impacts still remain for damaging wind gusts, hail up to half dollar size with isolated tornadoes possible for areas in the slight risk, and damaging winds, hail up to quarter size, and the tornado cannot be ruled out for areas across the marginal risk. The main time frame for this will be Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday evening. Check back on our website today, later this evening, for a timing graphic, for a possible timing graphic. Severe storms will be expected across these areas. So short-term forecast plus 48 hours. The front is expected to stall across the area Wednesday and Thursday, keeping rain and possible storm chances in the forecast these days, including Friday. So again, this will be a rainy week for us across central Mississippi, and with the possibility of a few storms embedded as this front slowly pushes across the region. So this is a precipitation map for days 1 through 3. Again, we do have some precipitation mainly across the entire state for Mississippi. And again, there could be some pockets of heavy rainfall with a few strong storms, severe storms that pushes across the region. But again, widespread flash flooding is not expected at this time. So Saturday, the front is expected to push through finally across the region, bringing in dry air behind it, and dry conditions are expected to return on Saturday. So this is a weekly forecast. Again, this is just a recap. Monday and Tuesday, we are expecting severe weather. There could be some gusty winds tomorrow as that front starts to approach the region. Wednesday through Friday, expect mostly rain, but there could be a few embedded storms as that front begins to stall across the region. Saturday, dry weather is expected to return to the region, and although there is a percent for rainfall on Sunday, there was some discrepancies within the models. Some showed some rainfall and some showed nothing. So just to be safe, we went ahead and put in some rainfall on Sunday. So looking at the drought situation with this rainy week that we are expected to have, this is rain that is very much needed across the ArcLMS region. However, D3 drought conditions continue over the Louisiana parishes and D2 conditions across the Mississippi Delta. Hopefully, these areas get some relief with the expected rainfall this week. So to close, again, these are the highlights for this week. Expect an active week across the arc limits. Strong to severe storms will be expected today and tomorrow, with the main threats being damaging winds, hail, and tornadoes. There will be potential for heavy downpours, with a few of those strong storms that pushes across the region. However, by this weekend, dry weather will return. So with that being said, thank you for listening and viewing this briefing. As always, if you have any questions, please contact us at this number here on the screen, or follow us on social media via Facebook or Twitter, where our handle is NWS Jackson MS.